Na Rympei U Hynñiewtrep ki paidbah Bri U Hynñiewtrep.
Deputy Chief Executive Member jong Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ubak pensengan Syiem ulong baki don ki nang yalam sengsan perthai leni kita ki politician ki boang badan kamtang ya ka sarkar jilla ki board district ki block officer bat ki shinong da ka ba penjak no ya ka district council ki Hima bat ki raj ya ka ni ubak pensengan ulak kren ha ka jingyalang ban pen klan ya baroh ki Hima po ka senjuk ki Hima Khasi lani kata ka Federation of Khasi State ka balalong ha ka Southern Orissa ha Khasi National Darbar Hall Hamaukar. Kabakli halor kani kejingkren, ubak pensengan klaim da jer kyrteng uloong, boyok sengau badan kinang yalam sengsan perthai, kiba Pynpaw bakar rukam terikam da ka sarkar jilla, District Council Hima, Raj, Shnong, Kim Kwah bandan Nrei, ki Kwah bej bandan tang ka sarkar, ka Office Deputy Commissioner, ka Office BDO bat ki Shnong. Shushu unu MDC ka Kongres uloong, kani kamla banlong namar, ka ay kabala sandur baroh shikata, kadai banne, kadai ban scam da ka jingya lang ka sarkar barki district council kumju ki Hima ki raj ki Shnong badan kam ban pen scam shu ya kani ka baladon